Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper. I'm going to give you a brief demo of the searchable training database. And you're going to see two databases here currently. One has all of my PLR game plans, the other one has our Tuesday training. And what you can do is you can go inside of the database. And once you're inside, you can take any keyword that you're looking for that you may want to find that you want to use the transcript for. So for example, the word I'm just going to write in here is going to be local, right? And so basically then what you'll see is that we have all of these places in a video where I may have used the word local. And so what you can do is you can then click inside of the video. It'll show up exactly where where I use that word. Then if you want to use this content, what you can do is you can then go and get the transcript. And so this is going to be the transcript for the entire video. So all you'll need to do here is click the download button, and then you can download the machine transcription for that particular video. So what we'll do is we'll continue to add our Tuesday training. We'll add our game plans here, and this basically gives you the right to use the content in your training as long as you don't pass on rights to your customer. So you shouldn't be passing on resale rights or PLR rights to your customer. Just use it in your training and in your products as you see it relevant. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.